Good evening to Dagansai. Today is the 7th class mathematics. Chapter number is the 1. First chapter, integers. Today we learn the new chapter. Page number is the 1 to 6 only. Today we learn it only. First introduction only. First we have learned about the different set of numbers only. Do you know the numbers? Counting numbers, Dagansai? Do you know? Counting numbers?
Yes.
Tell me the answer.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, those are the all are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All those are the up to or infinity. Those are the what's one is the counting numbers only. Counting numbers is the other name is the natural numbers. Counting numbers is also called as the natural numbers only. Which is the smallest natural numbers is denoted by the n.
Okay.
N only, denoted by the n only. Which is the smallest natural number, Dagansai? Which is the natural number?
Natural number 1, 2. Natural number 1, 2, 3, 4.
Smallest natural number is
One.
the only 1 only. First of all, you can write down the 1 by 1 only. Of setup. What's the different? Today we have already learned in that the different set of numbers only. What's the numbers is the natural numbers, whole numbers and integers only. So first we learn the natural numbers. Natural numbers is denoted by the n only. So what's the natural numbers is the counting numbers. Counting numbers, do you know the counting numbers?
Yes.
Counting numbers. Counting numbers like
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and so on. It is denoted by, it is represented as, it is denoted by the n only. So that's why the set of natural numbers can be represented by the set of natural numbers. Counting numbers are natural numbers. Natural numbers. Look at book Gagansai. Natural numbers. The set of natural numbers are represented or denoted by represented by what's one is the n only. It is denoted by the n. So therefore set of means is the 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. This is the natural numbers only. Next one is the whole numbers. What's the whole numbers? Whole numbers is the which one is the some questions I asking some questions which is the smallest natural number? Smallest natural number is the only 1 only. Next second one only. Write any 5 natural numbers between 100 to 10,000. What's the natural numbers? 100 to or 10,000 natural numbers is the answer. Second answer. What's the answer is the first answer is the only 1 only. And second answer is the 101, 111, 121 and 131, 141. This one. Okay, now smallest natural number is the 1 and this is the 100 to 10,000 is that this life. These are the 101. Any 5 only. 5 natural numbers. These are only 101 between there only natural numbers. Okay, now 100 to 10,000. Next third question. Can you tell the last number in the sequence of natural numbers? Next is the third question. Can you tell the last number in the sequence of natural numbers? The sequence of natural numbers is never ends only. Infinity of there only. The last number, but there is a no end. That is all over the infinity only. Third answer is the never ends, infinity. Okay, na? Or never ends. Okay, Gagansai? Next one is the fourth one. What is the difference between the any two consecutive natural numbers? What is the difference between any two consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers means is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why what's the difference? 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1. These are all the only consecutive numbers. And what's the difference is the fourth answer is the 1 only. Okay na? Difference of the two numbers only. So that's why that is the only one. Are you understood again neatly? Yeah, next one is the whole numbers. Whole numbers means is the by including zero. By including zero to the collection of natural numbers. These are all the natural numbers. By including zero to the collection of natural numbers, we get the new collection of numbers. That is the called is the, then the numbers is called as the whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted by the W only. W equal to that like one. First of all, you can definition you can write down Gagan say neatly. By including, see better neatly, listen better neatly. By including zero, okay na, to the collection of natural numbers. To the collection of natural numbers. Natural numbers to get a new collection of numbers. And then by including zero to the collection of nature, then the numbers is called as the otherwise a new collection of numbers. New collection of numbers is called the whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers. Dragon side. Yeah, whole numbers is denoted by the W only. So that's why when the set of whole numbers is denoted represented by or denoted by the set of whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented or denoted by what was the W? W equal to including 0 also. 0, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Okay na? Yeah, what's one more point here it is that Gagan say every natural numbers is a whole number. But whole number is not a natural number. Why? Because whole number is the 0 is also the whole number. So that's why that is the one point here it is. I write it only. Every natural number. Every natural number is a whole number. Whole number. But whole number is not a natural number. Whole number is not a natural number. Is not a natural number. Are you okay, Gagan sir, neatly?
Yes.
Natural numbers. Why? Because here the whole number is there, zero also there. But there are natural numbers, no zeros only are 1, 2, 3 only natural numbers. Yeah, so that's why but your whole numbers is not a natural numbers only. Yeah, this is the one very very important only. Okay, now that point is remembering Gagan sir. Next one is the integers. What's the integers? Integers. First of all, integers is the by including here. What's one is the whole numbers. All whole numbers and negative numbers. Okay, na? All negative numbers together we get a new collection of numbers. Bigger collection of numbers is called as the integers only. For example, see better here it is that textbook one picture here it is. Gagan side. This is the bigger collection only. Here bigger collection means is all are the negative numbers, and we put a whole numbers. These are the whole numbers and including 0. Whole numbers means is the including 0 also. So that's why we put the whole numbers and negative numbers. We get the bigger collection of numbers is called as the integers. Are you understood Gagan sir neatly? What's the definition of the integers?
Definitely bigger number and bigger number.
Yeah, if all the if you put on it, no problem. All the whole numbers.
Bigger numbers
and negative numbers also.
Okay.
And negative numbers. Do you know the negative numbers?
Yes.
The previous class is already it's over. Okay na? Negative integers, negative numbers. Numbers together, both are together. Yeah, together we get a bigger collection of, bigger collection of numbers. Bigger collection of numbers is called as the bigger collection of numbers is called integers. Are you understood the concern neatly? Integers. It is represented by that set of this like only. Are you understood numbers? Here it is the whole numbers and negative numbers. Here we get a bigger collection of numbers. It is called as the integers. See better neatly picture. Are you understood? Yeah. Next one is the set of integers. The set of integers is the set of integers. The set of numbers. Integers can be represented by also it is denoted by the z only, so that's why z is equal to, first one is the minus only, also infinity or -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Okay na? Yeah, this is the set of numbers only, and integers numbers, set of numbers or integers can be represented by this like only, and whole numbers plus integers or numbers. Okay na? And the set of the whole numbers plus negative numbers is a collection of the bigger collection of only, so that's why this is called as the integers only. So integers is denoted by the z only. So that's why I can also in this chapter, do you know that positive numbers and negative numbers you are already finishing there in that previous classes also, previous grade only. Or do you know the negative and positive numbers? Positive numbers is that 1, 2, 3, 4. That is all of the positive integers only. Positive integers is all of the natural numbers. Natural numbers and positive integers both are the same only. Negative integers is the -1, -2, -3. These are all is the negative numbers. These are all is the positive numbers. Positive numbers all are the natural numbers. Negative numbers is the negative numbers. -1, these are all only. Yeah. Next one is the, these are all is the integers only. Next one is the here it is that one picture is also see better neatly. Other book is also there. Yeah, this one is the natural numbers. Natural numbers means is the 10 and 25. This one is the, including 0. Including 0 is the whole numbers. And here including 0 plus negative numbers. So we get that integers only. Are you understood neatly? That is the one more picture is also there only. So next here another point is the integers. How to represent the some integers on a number line. Okay na? Yeah, in this chapter today we learn the more integers and their properties and operations only. Today we learn it only. Okay na? Yeah, next one is the how to represent some integers on a number line. How to represent the first number line. Number line how to represent that. This is the number line only. Yeah, 0. Yeah, these are all is that positive numbers only. These are all is the right side is that number line. Right side of the number line is that positive integers, and left side is the negative integers only. Yeah, first one is the excluding the fractions also. Fractions also positive and less than 0. Less than 0 is the negative integers, and it is the what one is the greater than 0 is the positive one. Okay. Less than 0 negative one. Okay na? Excluding fractions also. Yeah, see better notes also there, and this is the notes what's our introduction, what's are the natural numbers, whole I give the notes also at a time I give the notes, And today this is the diagram is also there. What's the integers, set of integers, and next next one is the integers. Integers first of all, write down this one only. Negative integers. Negative integers. Negative integers means less than numbers less than 0. Less than 0. Or negative numbers is less than 0. These are negative numbers. This is the positive numbers. Positive numbers greater than 0. Greater than 0. Okay na? We are excluding, what one is the excluding fractions also. Fractions. And this is also excluding fractions. Fractions is also there, that a positive or a negative fractions is also there. So that's why you can this like one. Okay na? Numbers less than 0 and left side you can write it the negative numbers, and right side is the number line, and right side is the positive numbers only. So negative numbers is less than 0 and they are placed to the left side of 0 only, and then the positive on the number line, and the positive numbers is the positive numbers all are the placed on the right side only, on the number line, integers. Okay na? Okay, now you understood answer neatly. Yeah, next one is the words or comparison of that negative numbers. Comparison of negative numbers. Here it is the one more point is also there. Which is the biggest integer represented on the above number line? What is the biggest integers? Here it is that one number line here it is, and our given textbook is there in our page number is the 1. First question say which is the biggest integers? What is the biggest integer is the infinity only. But here so up there only minus here are infinity, and positive numbers is also infinity. So answer is the infinity only. Here which is the smallest integer represented on the above number line? Which is the smallest integer is the 0 only. Okay, now you understood answer neatly. Next is the ascending order. After order ascending order, and next comparison of integers. Comparison, move forwards the right on a number line. Okay, numbers move towards the right on a number line. The values also integers is the increases only. Okay, na increases of this one only. Move to the right side. A numbers move to the right side. What's one is the values are increases only. Okay na? Yeah, that is the one point only. And next one is the what's 2 is greater than of minus 3. For examples of 2 is greater than, example, this is the one example, 2 is greater than, what's one is the minus 3 only, and 2 is a right of minus 3 only on the number line. 2 is, okay na? Minus 3, 2 is right on the minus 3 only, okay na? On the number line. Are you okay? Okay. And 2 is, what's one is the 2 is to the right of minus 3 on the number line. One example. Okay, are you understood again side? And 2 and minus 3. 2 is the right on the number line. Minus 4, for example, so minus 6 and 4. And minus 6 is to the right on the number line, on the 4 only. Okay na? And 4 is to the right on the minus 6 only. Alag examples only. Okay? And here it is that 6, for example of 6 is to the right and the minus 4 on the number line. Okay na? Yeah, next one is that have a comparison of that some cases only, 3 cases of that. So we can also comparing the 2 integers by looking at the absolute values. Absolute values means is that to remove the any minus sign in front of a number. Okay na? Absolute values are main one point today we learn it again. Say absolute value. Absolute value means to remove any minus signs. In front of a number. Okay, Gagan sai absolute value means to remove one, but any minus sign is in front of a number. Yeah, next one is the next we can also comparing the two integers by looking at the absolute values only. Yeah, cases and result and examples only. First one comparing the two positive integers, one case, and the second case is the comparing the two negative integers, and third one is the comparing positive integer and negative integers. Three cases are how to comparing of that cases only, how to comparing that examples. Through examples today we learn it only. Yeah, first one is that one only. First one, the number is with a greater absolute value is greater. First case, okay na. The number with a smaller absolute value is greater only. First of all, you can write here. It is the number with a greater absolute value is greater. Absolute value is greater. Okay na. For examples, what's the examples? For examples of the 60 and 20. 60 and 20. Absolute values means is the this like of the 60 and greater than of 20. Okay na. And 60 greater than 20. Okay na. Yeah, any minus symbols remove it only. So that's why is the comparing of the two negative integers. Okay na. And the number with the greater absolute value is greater only. Which one is the greater, 60 or 20? 60 is the greater. So that's why is the greater only. Greater number is the greater. And comparing the two negative integers. Two negative, the numbers with a smaller absolute value is greater. The number with a smaller absolute value is greater. Absolute value is greater. Okay, Gagan, say neatly. Yeah, the number with a smaller absolute value is greater. Here it is the greater absolute value is greater. Examples here it is same examples of minus 60 and another one is the minus 21. Okay na. What is the minus 60 and minus this is the minus 60 and what's one is that greater than of minus 20. Okay na. And minus 60 is this one is the absolute value is greater, smaller only. Smaller number is greater. Okay na. The number smaller number is greater only. And the number with a smaller absolute value is greater. Are you okay? Yeah, next one is the comparing the one positive integers and one negative integers only. Yeah, positive integer is greater than the negative integer only. First one is the third case. Yeah, positive number is greater. Positive number is greater than a negative number. What's that comparison of the same examples? 60 and minus. Here it is the for examples of 40. Okay na. అంటే what's one is the positive number is greater than the negative number only. అంటే 60 greater than minus 40. Okay, are you understood? I can say neatly another example only. So that's why I can here it is only. లేదంటే otherwise 20. Okay, are you understood? I can say neatly. Okay, now a positive integer is greater than only negative integers, and in 3 cases this law is the comparison of the 2 integers, any 2 integers, in 3 cases only with the examples. It's over. Gagan say neatly. Are you understood? Yeah, next one is the concept time 1, addition of integers only. Some ascending order is also there. Some alag examples. Ascending order you have to use the small to big only. For examples of ascending order, very easily only this one only. So that's why I can again write it only. Ascending order of for examples of 3 or 5 or -1 0 for example. So that's why ascending order means is the small to big only. So that's why I can small one. Which one is the small one? -1 is the small, 0, 3, 5. This is the that one is ascending order. Can are you understood? Comparison is also it's over. And next topic is the concept time 1, addition of integers only. Today we will learn the both books only, expert book part 2 and concept time 1. And today we will learn the SB 2, 1, 9, 2 and 3 only. Today we will learn it only. And page number is the 1 to here it is also 7 only. Today we will learn the 7 in our expert book. Other book is also today we will learn it only. Both books only. Today we will learn it only. Yeah, next one is the addition of integers only. What's the addition of integers? Here is another topic is also there in that Telangana state book. Your operation of integers in your 1.1. What's we have learned about that addition of and subtraction of integers in your we have learned only your previous grade. Your 6th standard grade only. Here first of all you are review and again review that the addition of and subtraction of integers, and some more of also we will learn about your multiplication and division of integers also. Today we will learn in that the 7th class standard only. Today we will learn the multiplication and division also. Okay now, but once you are review that of what's the addition of integers and what's the subtraction of integers, anything today we will learn in this class only. Concept time 1, addition of integers. First one is the addition of integers only. First is the addition of integers using a number line. For example, say addition, do you know the addition? And here it is some examples also there. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 0, 4. You already know that only. Here it is also our symbols. Plus into minus is the minus. And here plus into minus is the minus only. Plus into plus is the plus. Our 4 cases. Plus into plus is the plus only. Okay na? Plus into plus. Plus into plus is the plus. And plus into minus. Plus into minus is the minus only. Minus into plus is the minus. And minus into minus is the minus one. Minus into minus is the plus. Okay, I can say these are all the 4 cases only. So that's why I can use 6 over of this one only. And next is the addition of integers using the number line. Number line using with one examples. Today we will learn it only stepwise. Today we will learn it only 2 examples. Today we will learn it addition of integers using on the number line. Yeah, first step 1, draw a number line and locate the first integers. First step is there, write it only. Gagan say draw a number line. Draw a number line. Yeah, and locate the first integer. Okay na? Try a number line, and this is the one line only, and solution you can write down the example. This is the one example. What's the example is the -3. Solve the -3 plus 1. Other examples are -3 plus -1 only. Okay na? Yeah, these are the two examples only. Solutions you can write down the step by step solutions only. Yeah, first one is the draw a number line and locate the first integer only. Yeah, first one is the look at the first integer on the number line. What's the first integer is the -3 only. So you can write here it is say locate the first integer. Locate the first integer. What's the first integer is the -3 only on the number line. On the number line. Okay, say on the number line. Until locate the first integer on the number line. This is the number line only. Yeah, first integer where integer is the here it is the 0. 0 units is the -1. -3 and negative numbers on the left side on the number line and less than 0, and here it is the positive numbers in the right side only. So that's why it is the -3 only. First integer is the -3. So that's why is the -3 mark on the number line. This is the -3 only. This one is the -3. Are you okay, Gagan? Say neatly. Yeah, next one is the second step. Here it is the another example is also there. That is also locate the first integer. What's one is the same step. Same step you can write it here. It is also same solution. You can write on the solution and locate. Yeah, locate the first integer. First integer. What's the first integer is the minus same number only. So that's why it is on the number line. Okay na? Here words are here. It is the first here. This like only 0 to up to this one only. 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay na? This is the mark here. It is only. Okay na? -3 only. Here it is the 1 and 2 and 3 only. Okay, Gagan say, are you understood? Yes. Are you clearly? Yeah. Next is the this is the number line only, first one. And next is the step 2 only. Check the sign of second integer. Check the sign of second integer. Check the sign of second integer, and if it is a positive, move many step to the second integer to the right side only. And if it's a negative, move as many step to the second integer to the left only. Yeah, first one you can write here it is points to the other side. Yeah, if it is positive integer, first you can write the steps only. Positive integer, yeah, many step to the many steps as the second integer. Second integer to the right only. To the right. And here it is the negative integers. Negative integers అయితే if it's a many steps as the many steps as the second integer to the left side only. Okay, I can say check the sign of second integer. First of all, here this is the number line. Check the second integer. Second integer is the in our first example is the plus, and here it is that -1 only. So that's why you can is the if you have positive number. If you positive numbers means is the you write that one only. First one is the you write it positive. This is that mark -3 only. Yeah, -3. -3 nunchi if it's a right side only. Okay na? Many step. What's one? Here it is the only one step only. Why? Because you can here it is the +1 only. Only one only. So that's why it is the -3 to -1 only. One is step only. Okay na? If you have positive numbers, if it's a second integer to the right side only. If it's a, for examples of negative, left side only. Here second examples is the here is the -3 only. -3 only. So that's why it is the what's one is the -3 to here it is that -3 plus into minus is the -1. So that's why is the -4 only. So that's why it is the one step only. One step means is the this like one, left side only. Okay na? Otherwise here back here it is also. Okay na? Left side only. Why? Because you can here it is the minus symbol only. Negative integers. So you can move to the left side only. Okay na? Positive అయితే you move to the right side only. Are you understood? Can I say neatly?
Yes.
అంటే -3 plus 1 equal to -2 only. And here it is also -3 -1 equal to the -4 only. Okay na, understood the answer neatly? Yeah, minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2 only. And next one is the minus 3 minus 1 equal to minus 2. Okay na, answer neatly understood. And the number line, how to using with the number line addition of integers, how to using the number line, you understood the answer addition of numbers?
Yes.
Yeah, that is also it's over. And next one is the addition of integers using rules. Some rules is also the addition of integers. What's the rules? When the numbers are very large, if it is not possible to draw a number line, if it's for example some number line, you can draw that very hard only. So that's why you can use the flow charts below that explain the rules of addition of integers only. Addition of integers, so you can use in the flow charts only. Here first one is the, this is the flow charts only. The first one is the addition of integers only. Do both the numbers have a same sign? Both the numbers have the same sign. If it's yes aithe same sign. If it's no aithe different signs only. Okay na, Gagan side?
Okay.
Yeah, this is the flow charts only. And if it's a very large aithe, if it's a very drawing aithe, if it's a very draw the table aithe, if it's a very difficult only, number lines only. So that's why using with the flow charts only. Yeah, same sign. Same sign is the one example. Today we learn it, and different signs is the another example only. So that's why is the same sign is the one example. So what's the example is the minus 8 plus minus 4. Both are that the same sign?
Yes.
Is it correct? Yes. And here it is that different signs. Different signs means the minus 15 plus 10 only.
No.
So if it's a, these are all the different signs only. Here it is the same sign only. What's the step by step? Today we will learn this problem solutions. You can write down the solutions only. Yeah, first one is the step 1. Add their absolute values. First step is the add their absolute values. Add their absolute values. Values means is the minus 6. Yeah, plus into, first one you can hear it is that minus 6 minus absolute minus is remove the minus symbol only. So that's why you can is the minus and plus 4 only. Okay na, equal to 12. Okay na, Gagan say absolute values means is the remove the minus symbol only. So that's why you can is the in front of the number only. So that's why you can is the 8 plus 4. Yeah, next one is here it is also step 1. What's the step 1 is the find the different of their absolute values. First one is the find the different of their absolute values. Okay na? Ante minus 5. It is that plus 10. Okay na? What's one is here? It is the minus 5. What's the answer is the minus 5. Oh, yeah, next is the step 2 only. What's the step 2 is the using the common sign in the answer. Use the common sign. Use the common sign in the answer. Common sign in the answer. Use the common sign. What's the common sign? If it's a 8 plus minus 4, yeah, equal to, what's one is the minus 12 only. What's the common sign is the, here it is the minus and minus only. Both are the common sign. Common sign is the answer. What's the common sign is the minus only. Minus 12 is the answer. Okay, are you understood the answer? Otherwise minus 8 plus into minus is the minus. So that's why the minus is the minus only. Addition. Yeah, next one is the another. This is the step 2 only. Use the sign of the number. Use the sign of the number. Use the sign of the number with with a larger absolute value for the answer, with a larger absolute value or absolute value for the answer. Okay na? Yeah, use the sign. What's the sign is a minus here, minus 15. Minus 15 into plus 10 equal to minus only, minus 5. What's the here it is that use the sign. Use the sign number with a larger absolute value for the answer. Larger absolute value. What's the answer here? It is the minus 15. Minus 15. This like all minus this symbols here it is. Okay na? Are you understood the answer neatly? Absolute, larger absolute values, you can write the answer only. That is the it's using with steps. You can, are you understood the answer neatly? It's not integers using rules only. Some rules of this same sign as what are steps are your what are steps using with one examples only. Next it is also throw examples are different signs at rules only. What are steps are there in what another example only. If it's are two examples, are you understood the answer neatly? Yeah, next goes to that concept time 2 and S.B. 3. And your Telangana state book is also 1 point there. It is already each time you add a positive insert. For example, so here it is also number line and alag examples also there. And here it is also here it is see beta. Here leave it only. Other one example 6 over. And next one is that here note only. Each time you add a positive integer, so you move the right on the number line. On the left side is that each time you add a negative integer, such a move to the left side only. And a number line. Yeah, here it is that 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 means is that what one is the 14. And 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 means is the 13. 9 plus 12 alag right it only plus for examples of 9 plus minus 1 and 9 plus into minus is the minus, so that's why it is the 8 alag examples only. Okay, are you understood the answer neatly? Yeah, next is the another one only. What's one is the subtraction of integers only. Yeah, this is the concept time 2 S.B. 3 subtraction of integers. Subtraction using the number line. Using the steps learned with two examples. So today we will learn through the two examples using with steps only. Using the number line. What's the steps? First step by step only. You draw a number line and locate the first integer. Draw a number line and locate the first integer. Okay na? First integer only. And if it's locate the first integer, for example, so for one example, so solve the minus 3 minus of bracket of minus 1 only. And second example, solve the minus 3 minus bracket of minus 1 only. So that's why you can use the first one is the locate the first integer. Locate the first integer. Yeah, first integer on the number line. See better neatly. Are you understood? Number line. Yeah, this is the number line only. Your first one is the locate the first integer. What's the first integer? Is the minus 3 only. So that's why you can use the minus 3 means is the 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay na? This is the minus 3. Are you okay? Yeah. Next one is the second only. This is also same step you write it here. It is also locate the first integer on the number line. Same minus 3 only. So that's why you can use the minus 3. Step by step minus 3. This is also marked on the number line. Next is the step 2 only. And check the sign on the second integer. Check the sign. Check the sign of the second integer. Second integer. Okay? Yeah. Next one is the if it is a positive. If it is a positive, yeah, reverse only. If it is a first to move as the many steps as the second integer to the left only. Here it is the addition అయితే if it's a positive one. Here you can observe in here it is governed say addition అయితే if it's a positive right side only. And negative అయితే left side. But here in a subtraction అయితే if it's a positive. For example, if it is positive, if it is positive, move as many steps. Move as many steps as the second integer to the left only. Okay na? If we pause, if it is also negative only. If it is a negative అయితే if it's a right side only. Move to that many steps as the second integer to the right side only. Okay na? This is the 2 points very important. Gagan say in your step 2. Yeah, so that's why is the solve it only as the second integer. What one is the second integer? As the second integer. What's the second integer? Second integer is the plus 1 only. So that's why second integer is 1. So we will move to one step. We will move one step to the left only. One step to the left side. Okay, now in our subtraction is the different only. Positive అయితే if it's a move to the left. Negative అయితే right side only. Addition ki if it's a different only. So that's why is the worst one is there. It is the first is the 3 only. Marks the 3. So that's why is the 3 ki here it is that see better neatly -3 -1. So that's why is the -4 only. So that's why is the move to the left side only. Below here it is also -1 only. So that's why is the -4. Okay na? The one step only. Move to the one step only. Left side. So you understood the answer neatly? The -3 -1 equal to -4. Are you okay? This is the answer. And next one, this is also the second integer is the, what's the second integer is the second integer. Second integer equal to -1 only. Yeah, move to the, one step move to the right side only. Because here it is that negative integer only. So that's why you can move to the right side. Move to one step only. One step. Move to one step to the right side. Okay, are you understood the answer neatly? Yeah, -3. That is the marks the -3. Move to the right side only. So that's why you can is the minus. Here you can solution it is also -3. Minus into minus is the plus only. So that's why you can is the -2 only. Okay, now are you understood the answer? And minus. Okay, now one step only. And minus step to the right side only. And -3 right side. Okay, now and this like what? Are you understood the answer with steps? Yeah. Yes. Yeah, with steps and subtraction using the number line with steps one. But throw 2 examples. Are you understood the answer neatly? Okay, now.
Yes.
Yeah, what's our subtraction of integers using rules also? Yeah, what's our rules? Additive, inverse. Additive, inverse. What's the additive inverse? For examples of any integers, if it's a minus a, 2 or -2. That is the additive inverse. Are you understood the answer neatly? And additive inverse means is that for examples of 2 ki additive inverse is the -2 only. And a ki -a. Ala integers, if it's any integers, you can additive inverse this like only. We can add the integers to its additive inverse. Is always answer is the 0 only. Okay na? Yeah, first one is the we add an integer. We add an integer to its additive inverse. Additive inverse. The answer is 0. Answer is 0. ఈజ్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్గా కనిసే అంటే 2 ఈజ్ ద ఇంటీజర్స్ ఇంటీజర్స్కి ప్లస్ additive integers. What's the additive integers is the -2. So that's why you can is the here it is the plus into minus. So that's why you can is 0. Okay, now are you understood? I can say and a here it is the for examples of a plus minus a and plus into minus is the minus. So that's why the both are the cancel. So 0. Answer is 0. Are you understood? I can say neatly. And we had the integer to its additive inverse. Is answer is 0. We will get the answer is 0 only. We will get both are the cancel only. Integers and additive integers is both are the cancel only. We will get that the answer is 0 only. Are you understood? I can say neatly. Yeah, solve that one example is also an example. Today we learn under the number line is also. What's the examples? For examples of -4. -4 is the additive inverse of plus 4. Verify only. And -4 is additive inverse of okay na inverse of plus 4. Verify. What's one is the first one is the additive inverse and -4 plus 4. Answer is the 0. Okay na. Here it is the another examples is also for examples of here 2 only. Here 2 is the additive inverse of -2 only. 2 is the additive inverse. Additive inverse of -2 only. So that's why you can is the 2 plus 2 plus into minus is the minus only. So that's why the both are the cancel 0 also. Okay na. All those are the 2 examples. It's mark the on the number line only. Yeah, first one is the mark the what's one is the additive inverse. First is the mark the what's one is the 4 only on the number line. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 only. Okay na 4 and then again is the what's that additive inverse. Additive inverse means is the this like only -4. So that's why you can is the we will get the answer is 0 only. Are you understood? I can say neatly. Yeah, another one. Yeah, next is the extra example. What's the 2 plus additive inverse of -2 only. So that's why the number line 2 only. 2 step right. Mark the 2 step only. 2 0 to 2 only. Then again is the -2 means is the 1 2 only. We will get the answer is 0 only. 2 plus -2. We will get this answer is 0 only. So that's why you can. Yeah, this is the first one is that this is the plus 4 and here it is the -4 only. So that's why we will get the answer is 0 only. Are you understood? Answer neatly?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the additive inverse of that one. Using the subtraction integers using the rules only. Additive inverse. Are you understood? Answer neatly? Yeah, these all are the today we will completed these all are the topics only. Are you understood? Answer what's the integers? Introduction part 1.0. Yeah, what's the natural numbers, what's the whole numbers, what's the integers, and next are integers on a number line, how to represent under integers on a number line. Yeah, what's the step by step, what's the comparison of 2 integers, and next are 3 cases, comparison of 3 cases only, and next the concept time 1 addition of integers using the number line using the steps also. Yeah, through 2 examples is over and rules is also there using the rules instead of integers. Some using the rules with the steps is also today we learn it. And next the concept time 2 also with SB3 expert book part 2 subtraction of integers are using with the subtraction using a number line using with steps only, step by step. So through 2 examples. 2 is over only. And next is the subtraction of integers using rules, additive inverse. This part is also is over. Yeah, these are all is that some subtraction of integers and addition of integers. Both are that is completed only. Okay, are you understood? I can say today topics are you understood all are. Yeah, next one is that 1.1 note point here it is say neatly. Yeah, for examples of C beta in what Telangana state book alag examples also there are C beta in what textbook examples is also 6 minus of 1. equal to minus into minus is the plus only. So that's why it's the 7. Yeah, first you can mark the number line. First you can 0 to 6 only. Here it is the 6 mark here it is. Okay na?
Okay.
Yeah, next is the plus. Minus into minus is the plus only. So that's why you can is a move to 1 only. Right side only.
Okay.
Move to the right side only. If it's minus అయితే move to the here it is that right side only. Are you understood? I can say if it's a negative అయితేనేమో move to the here it is the negative. So that's why move to the right side. If it's positive అయితే move to the left side only. అలాగే examples only. Or if it's only two examples it's over and subtraction part is also it's over. Are you understood? I can say yeah, other try this is also there. 8.2 is that 6 and 8 minus 3 is the 5. अलग examples only. And here it is that 8 minus of 1 and 8 minus into minus is the plus only. So that's why here it is also 9 and s minus 2 and 8 minus into minus is the plus 2 only. So that's why is the 10. अलग do it all remaining all are that you can try and try do it at home. You can practice there. You can say all are everything is its practice. And here it is the note is also there. Each time you add subtract a positive integers, move to the left side only. Here it is the negative only. Negative means here it is that what's one is the positive aitano left side on the number line. And if it's each time you subtract a negative integer, negative integers you move to the right on the number line. Okay na? Here you are seeing your in your examples are a negative number. So that's why move to the right side only. If it's a positive aithe move to the left side only on the number line. Are you okay Gagan sir neatly? Yeah, here it is also another example is also there. So here it is also 6. And here it is the plus 3 only. So that's why I can is move to the left side. Okay na?
Okay.
Yeah, positive integers are to move to the left side only. Here it is the positive only. So that's why you can here it is also this like one. The number line. So that's why I can these are the अलग examples also in our Telangana state textbook is also examples there only. Yeah, do it. This is also you can practice Gagan neatly. Yeah, next one is the here is 3 steps only. Okay, now are you understood Gagan neatly? From 6 only. So the 3 steps left from 6 only on the number line. 3 steps. Okay, now first mark the next again 6 minus 3. So that's why I can 3 only. So these are all that अलग examples and steps using. Okay, now using the steps you can learn the 2 examples it's over on this book only. Yeah, next one is these are all the topics it's over. Yeah, today I are completed only. So that's why I can in our Telangana state book first of all you can first exercise problems page number is the 2. Yeah, exercise first exercise 1.1. Today we will learn the all problems and solutions only. Okay na? Yeah, you are understood Gagan sir. These are all topics.
Yes.
Yeah, today is over. After this today class is over and that one we can today learn that another one is the exercise 1.1 all problems and solutions only. Page number is the 2 in our Telangana state book only. Okay na? Yeah, first problem. First of all I read in your today we learn it only. First exercise 1 only. Yeah, notes here. These are all the notes Gagan sir neatly. Yeah, at a time I give the notes also integers notes. Here these are all the definitions of the integers. What's the positive, what's the negative integers. And here this also and exercise 1 and next one is the integers on a number line with comparison of integers and pages. So step by step I give the notes also. Yeah, using the rules here to give the notes also neatly. Yeah. Next today we will learn the exercise 1.1. Today we will learn it only. Page number is the 2 only. Here Telangana state book. First of all I read in the textbook. First problem only. Yeah, first one. Some integers are circled on the number line. Write the biggest and the smallest integers. Okay na? Today we will learn that only one exercise only. Okay na? Yeah, first this is the number line only. Number line and circled on the number line. So some integers are circled here. What's the integers are circled? Minus 3 integers and plus 2 integers are circled only. So that's why it's the biggest and the smallest integer. Write the biggest one. Which one is the biggest? Which one is the smallest number? So you can write it answer only. Yeah, what's the biggest? Biggest is the plus 2 is the biggest only. Smallest is the minus 3 only. That is the answer only. Are you understood the answer neatly? So first of all, you can the solutions you can write down in our notebook only. Step by step. Yeah, solutions only. Gagan side. Are you okay, Gagan side neatly?
Yes.
Yeah, first some integers are circled. What's the circles are integers? Yeah, this is that circles are integers. Minus 3 and plus 2 only. Which one is the bigger? Yeah, circle the integers. Circle the integers on the number line. On the number line, solutions number line equal to, what's one is the minus 3, 2 only. So that's why the biggest one. What's the biggest and what's the smallest one? Biggest number. What's the biggest number is the 2 only. Smallest number is the what's one is the minus 3. Are you okay? It's over of the first problem is over and next one is the second problem. What's the second problem? Write all the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. Write all the integers between the pairs of integers. This is a pair of their all are written. Yeah, 3 bits are there in what the second bit only. So that's why the 3 problems. Yeah, first one minus 10, minus 5 and minus 10 only. What's our integers are between these all is the minus 5 minus 10 between the integers only. Write it all the integers. You can write it answer. And next choose the biggest. What's the biggest and what's the smallest from them. First of all you can write the all are the between the integers. You can write it only. Solutions one by one. You can write down the solutions. All the integers. All the solutions, all the integers between the pairs of integers. These are all the pairs of integers. Okay, Gagan, say neatly. Yeah, what one is the minus 10 and minus 5 means is the minus 6, minus 7 or integers are these are minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10 is there. These are all that between that these are two pairs of integers. Between there these are all numbers only. These are all integers only. Okay, now yeah, which one is the biggest? What's the second question? Also choose biggest and the smallest only. So first one is the biggest integers. Biggest integer. Biggest integer is the what's the biggest is the integer is the minus 6 only. Okay, now smallest integer. Smallest integer is the minus 9 only. Okay, now this is the first problem. Solution is over. And next one is the second problem. Yeah, second problem is the 3, minus 2 only. Solution you can write on the solution dragon side. What's that? All the integers. All the integers. This is the answer only. Are you understood the answer neatly? Integer. All the. Are you okay?
Yes.
All the integers. Between means in the this like only. Between the pairs of integers. Pairs of integers. లేదంటే between the integers. Short form between the integers also, no problem. Or what's are in between them? We are in pairs of this one 3, minus 2 only. So here it is the 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Okay, now? So that's why what's the biggest and what's the smallest? Yeah, biggest
2.
Yeah, biggest is the 2 only. Smallest is the minus 1. Biggest integer. Okay, Gagan Sai, are you understood clearly?
Yes.
If you any doubt, you ask me.
No doubts.
No doubt. After water, you can practice everything only. Okay, na?
Okay.
Yeah, this is the -1. Okay, are you understood? Yeah, next one is the third problem. This is the answer only. Next one is the third bit. What's the third bit here? It is the 8 comma -5 only. Okay, na? 8 comma 5 only, plus 5. -8 comma 5. Okay, na? 3 comma -2 second bit only. Next one is the -8 comma 5 only. So that's why it's the third one. What's the third one? Is the -8 comma 5 only. So that's why first is the between the integers only. Between the integers. Otherwise all the integers between the pairs of integers only. Between the integers. Between the integers. Integers are, what's the between the integers are the -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Okay, na? Between the each pair of this like only. Okay, na? Gagan say neatly understood. Okay, na? Pair of integers anamata. Each pair of integers are between all these integers are between them anamata. In each pair of integers. So these are all the integers between. And is the what is the biggest and what is the smallest? What is the biggest integer? What is the smallest integer? Okay, na Gagan side? What is the biggest one? Here it is the biggest is the 4. 4 is the biggest and the smallest is the -7. Smallest is the -7 only. Okay, are you understood? This is the answer. Yeah, this is all 3. Second bit lo if it's 3 problems, it's over. Are you okay? Biggest is the 4. Minus symbol is -7 is the smallest one. These are all it's over of the 3 problems. It's over second bit and next goes to the third one. Third bit. Third bit is also 3 problems there only. First of all, I read in our textbook only. Write the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order means is the small to big and descending order is the big to small only. Okay? Yeah, first bit one. First are -5, comma 2, comma 1, comma -8. What's the biggest? What's the smallest? Smallest to biggest. Smallest means the -8, -5, 1, comma 2 only. Okay, na? First you can write it one by one. Gagan say neatly. Yeah, solutions you can write on the solutions. Yeah, ascending order. Ascending order means is the smallest to biggest one. Yeah, ascending order. Ascending order of integers. Order of integers equal to, what's the ascending order? The smallest into -8, -5, 1, comma 2. This is the answer. Okay, na? Here it is also directly you can write the answer only. Ascending order. Ascending order means the smallest to biggest one. So that's why you can the -5, -4, -3, 2 only. Okay, are you understood? Yeah, next one is the third problem solution. Ascending order A.0. Ascending order equal to the -15, smallest to -15, -10, -7. Okay, now 3 problems it's over. Are you understood? I can say neatly. Yeah, -15 and -10 and -7. Here it is also -3, -4, -3, -5, -4, -3, 2. This is all is over of the smallest to the biggest of the ascending order. It's over. And next one is the fourth bit. Write the following integers in descending order, biggest to smallest one. Yeah, first bit only. Here it is also are 3 problems there. First one, -2, -3, -5 only. Biggest, what's the biggest? Biggest here it is the same only. Biggest is the same. You can same step. You can write it the solution. So step by step solutions. Gagan side detail part notebook gagan side. Yeah, solutions. Biggest to smallest. What's the biggest? Biggest is the descending order. -3, -5, minus. This like only biggest only. Same one answer. And next one is the solution. Second problem solution only. What's the biggest? Biggest is the -1, -2, -8. And next is the this is the solution. And which one is the biggest? Biggest is the 8, 5, -2. Okay, are you understood the answer neatly? Yeah, this is also it's over of the fourth bit is also it's over. And next one is the goes to the fifth one. Represent 6, -4, 0 and 4 on the number line. Represented represented this these are the numbers on the number line only. So that's why you can represent. So first of all you can draw the one number line only. Yeah, first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is the -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay. Yeah, first is the represents on the number line only. First 6 here it is the 6 gagan side. Okay na? Solution you can write on the solution gagan side neatly. Yeah, 6. And then again is the -4. Here it is the -4. Next 0. Then again is the 4. Okay na? Yeah, this is how you are represented on the number line. You understood mark this like circle the all of the numbers on the number line. Or you understood the lesson neatly? Yeah, it's over of that fifth bit is also is over. And next goes to that sixth one only. Fill the missing integers on the number line given below. Number line what's one is missing the integers only on the number line given below. These are all the number gagan side. This is the number line only. Some what's one is the number line. Some numbers is already given it. Never on the number line only. On the number line some integers are given. So that's why it's a missing. Some missing here. These are all the some missing only. You can write down the missing the integers on the number line. So that's why it's a -8. Here it's the -8, -7, -6. Next -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay na? Missing you can this like only. You can solution you can write on the notebook only. Okay, I can say neatly. So what's one is the here is the -9 only. -9, -5. So that's why it is the -8, -7, -6 only. Okay na? Yeah, next one is the -5 is 4 and next one is the -4, -3. Here it is the -2, -1. Neatly you can mark. Okay na? Gagan say? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. This is only 1, 2, 3. Okay na? Next 5, 6, 7 only. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay na gagan say? Yeah, see better neatly or mark neatly. You are after order you can neatly you can mark here. It is only text here. I already have write the answers only. It will say this one is the correct only. Are you understood the answer neatly? Then missing the numbers you can write it only neatly. You can draw the neatly. Again you can write neatly. You can mark this all are that missing the integers mark on the number line. Are you understood? I can say sixth problem solution is also over, and next one is the goes to the seventh one. The temperatures, first of all I read it. I can say the temperatures in degrees Celsius and centigrade, Celsius or centigrade, of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line below. Okay na? This is that one number line. Say this is the one number line. You can temperatures or degrees or Celsius, degree Celsius or centigrade. Centigrade of 5 cities are given here. It is only in India. Okay na? Particular day temperatures are given in our India. Here this is the number load. What's our Kausali, Manali, Nainital, Ooty, Bangalore. Okay na? Kasauli and Nainital. What's one is the Kasauli, Manali, Nainital, Ooty, Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah, temperatures. 5 cities temperature in India. Okay na? In a particular day temperature only. And in our number line.
Okay.
Your questions only. Write the answers for the following questions based on the above number line.
Okay.
Above number line you can write all the answers only. Following questions are 1 to 5 questions there only. Okay na? On the above number line. Your first question, write the temperature of the cities marked on it. Write the temperature wise you can write it on the cities. You can write it on answer. First one, 5 cities you can write out. Cities names and temperatures. Serial number 5. Okay na?
Okay.
Next, second one, which cities has the highest temperature? Which city is the highest temperature? Is the Bangalore only. Okay na? Next one is the third one, which cities has the lowest temperature only. One by one you can write it only. First of all you can write answers, solutions you can write down in your notebook only. Okay na?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, this one is the seventh and solutions you can write it. The solutions say neatly one by one answers. Yeah, first answer. First question, write the temperature of the cities marked on it. First solutions only. Serial number 1. And next is the what is the city name. Next, temperature. First problem. This is the first problem solution only. Temperature. Okay na? Yeah, first one serial number 1 only. Write the temperatures of the cities only. And 5 cities only. So that's why you can write it one by one. City name. First city is the Kausali. City is the first city is the Kausali. Kausali is the temperature. What's the Kausali temperature? Gagan say see in our textbook neatly.
Okay.
You can be carefully observing here it is Kausali temperature. This is the 7 only. Okay na?
7. Okay.
7. Here it is the mark is the -9 only. So that's okay na? What's the Kausali's temperature is the -9 degree centigrade only. Okay na?
Okay, Mama.
Yeah, next one is the other one is the Manali.
Okay.
Here it is also there only. Sir. Manali. Okay na?
Yes.
See beta, Manali is here it is the Manali. Gagan say. Yeah, this is the 10 and this is the 9, 8, -7 only.
Okay.
So that's why the Manali is the -7 degree centigrade only.
Okay.
Next one is the third one. Third one is the another one is the Nainital. Nainital is the -4
Minus
-5
4.
-4 -3 only.
-3. Okay.
Nainital is the -3 degree centigrade only. Next one is the fourth one. Fourth one is the Ooty. Ooty temperature gagan say. What's the temperature? Ooty is the 15 degree centigrade. 15 degree centigrade only. Ooty. And next one is the Bangalore. Fifth one is the Bangalore. So that's why you can write the Bangalore. That is also temperature is the 20 degree centigrade only. Yeah, first answer, first problem solution is over.
Yes.
And next one is the second problem.
Solution.
What's the second problem? Question. What's the question? Which cities has the highest temperature? Which cities has the highest temperature? Highest temperature cities. Which one is the highest?
This
20
one.
degree centigrade is the highest. And Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah. The highest
Temperature.
The highest temperature
Of India, I think so.
The highest temperature of the city, the highest temperature of the city, or highest temperature city equal to Bangalore.
Okay.
Which city means the Bangalore. The highest temperature city or highest temperature of the city equal to Bangalore. That is the second bit is also so. Next third problem solution. Which city has the lowest temperature?
Lowest temperature.
The lowest.
This one.
Which one? The
This.
lowest temperature. Which cities have the temperature less than 0 degree centigrade only? The temperature less than 0 degree centigrade of the cities are Kausavali and Manali, Nainital only.
Okay.
Yeah, next one is the fifth one only. Which cities have the temperature more than 0 degree centigrade only? Okay, now
Yes.
this one only, less than 0. And more than 0 means is this two only. Okay, now Ooty and Bangalore answers. Okay, now are you
Yes.
understood the neatly? The temperature more than 0 degree centigrade of the cities are, what's one is the Ooty. What's the answer? Ooty, Bangalore.
Yes.
Okay, na? Are you understood the neatly? Yeah,
Yes.
otherwise the cities with temperature, highest temperature, otherwise no problem. Leదంటే highest temperature of the city, leదంటే otherwise highest temperature city equal to Bangalore. No problem. Okay, na?
Okay.
The cities with temperature, lowest temperature. The cities with lowest temperature అయినా no problem. Okay, na? లేదంటే the city, the lowest temperature city అయినా no problem. అలా అలాగ you can write it all neatly. Okay, na? Yeah,
Yes.
these are that all are that it's over of that all problems it's over, 5 problems it's over. The temperature less than 0 degree centigrade of cities are, these all are the cities is equal to, and these all are is the no problem.
0
All are
degree
is if it's all are equal, it's okay only. Yeah, this is that what's what is the exercise 1.1. All problems and solutions is over. All problem and solutions is over or completed. Okay, Gagan, say neatly understood?
Yes.
Yeah, this is that today our class of today class is over. Gagan, say neatly. Yeah, you understood of that 1.1 all problems and solutions. It's you understood?
Yes, understood.
How to represent the integers on the number line? Ascending
Yes.
order, descending order. Yeah, so you can you are speaking biggest one, what's the biggest, what is the smallest, these are the first exercise, first problem. First 1.1 all problems it's over, and your Telangana state book is also your it is that Gagan say neatly. Yeah, mark that 4 only, first one 0 to 4, and again is the plus 3. It's leave it only. Okay, now you understood? Yeah, today is our integers class is over, and yeah, this is the notes only. Today notes. Okay, na? Yeah, tomorrow onwards we will continue the next class only. Yeah, today our class is over.
Okay.
Say, are you at home? You can everything is at home. You can practice. Gagan say.
Yes.
Yeah, say thank you. Have a nice day, my dear Gagan say.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.